So, night sledding in the hood. That's pretty cool. So this is our house. And this is the cool sled hill. Our house. Cool sled hill. Cool person on sled. Sweet. 1950s various sled that Gail apparently went somewhere on. I'm not really sure where, but she went somewhere on it. And so yeah, so this is it. This is East Nashville.
Try to secure that.
This is an attempt. We will see how well it works. This is the sledding experience. Oh, there's a car.
They're trying to go up the other way, but they're sliding backwards.
Well, I'm about to be sliding downwards. Is the camera lens still exposed?
Looks like it is. Maybe no, now it's not. There.
No?
Yeah.
Yeah?
No.
Just tuck it in there good. This is funny.
Does it feel like it's secure?
Yeah.
Oh,
I got it with my chin.
We'll edit this out later.
Yeah. Do I need to?
Alright.
Is it?
It's showing if you can keep it like, Just covered it up a little bit.
I did?
Yeah. Hold on. Hold this.
No. I don't have time to hold that. The camera's running. Give it a good tuck.
Your ponytails.
Well, move them out of the way.
Alright, let's see what happens, kids.
Is it out enough, or should I come up a little?
That's good. If you don't move.
If I don't move, well, I'm about to move. Like, can I?
I mean, don't shut your chin down.
Don't shut my chin down. All right. Here we go.
All right.
I'll see you in the emergency room. Where'd that car go?
I think it actually made it.
I don't think so. I think it's down at the bottom of the hill. All right. Oh, camera! Where's the camera? Hello? I made it! Not really. I'm okay! Yeah! That was funny. Okay.